Hello friends, welcome back to Analytics Planners channel. Today we are going to talk about how we can create the butterfly graph in a Tableau. So we have this data set which includes the region, name, gender, country and age in years. So we will try to build a butterfly chart or graph to represent that how many gender and the count of gender we have country wise. So let's get started. As you can see in the sheet 1 we have these dimensions and we have these measures. So before creating to the butterfly chart, first we need to create the count of male and female as a separate measures. So now I'm going to create the calculated field. Here we can give the name as a male count and we can put the formula if gender, which includes male and female, as a F and M. So let's take as a M, then it will take the gender and then N. We need the count, so we can put a count formula in the front of this whole if condition and we can say okay. You can see we have a male count. Now we have to create the second measures for the female counts. For that we need to create the duplicate of it and then you can click on the edit. You can change here as a name female and below as a F. So now you have the both count for male and female as a measures, right? If you have already have the data for the male and female count, you can do. Now how we can create? So we would like to create the butterfly graph on the country basis. So let's drag country to the row and then you need to drag the female count in a column and same in male count in a column. Now for the butterfly diagram you need to create the zero axis calculated field as well. So you just need to create and then you can say zero axis and you can put as a 0 over here and you can do okay. Then you can drag this over here and again this over here. So you can see we have a female count and next to it we have a 0 axis. Then we have a male count and next to it we have another 0 axis. So we need to create the 0 axis as a dual axis. So click on this. You have the option over here, dual axis. It will create dual axis with the female count and the same you need to do 0 axis as a secondary axis with the male count. Now you can see in the mark options. Now we have a 4 different measures: female count, 0 axis, male count and 0 axis. So we need a bar graph for female and male count. You just need to click on this and select the bar graph for the female and same goes with for the male. You select the bar graph for the male. Now you can see this direction of the bar graph is toward the right side. We need to reverse it so that it will be look like the butterfly. So you need to click on the axis, edit axis and click on the reverse. You can see its both graph is attached to each other. Now it seems like a butterfly. We have a 0 axis as well. So what now? These two axes is not sync with each other. So right click and synchronize the axes. Same goes with another 0 axis. Click and then select synchronize the axes. Now you can see this one and I think the fixed axis. So the start should be a 0. Actually you should follow this step after the synchronization of the axes. So again and then you can click on the 0 as a start, and a fixed one should be automatic. So you can see this align and the 0 axis is overlapping, so we have only one single line. Right now you can see this 0 axis have also the dot overlapping. So what you need to do, you go to the 0 axis option and reduce the size of the circle. Same goes with the second one, 0 axis is, and then reduce the option. Now you can see you have this butterfly graph. So I am just selecting for the one region, so it will look good, and the count of the male and female. Now after it, you can go to the female option and you can select the color as a, you select the female color as a pink. Okay, and then go to the male and you can select the male color as a blue, and you can show the count as well for the both male and female, like this. So now you can see you have the butterfly view for the count of male and female by country, and you can hide the all axes. Now you have the full view for the country wise male and female count over here. Thank you very much for watching.